Can fish actually see water? If we humans can't see air, can fish really see what they're swimming in? It's an intriguing paradox, isn't it? We're enveloped in air, yet we can't perceive it with our eyes. The same goes for fish. They're swimming in water all the time, but can they actually see it? It's a question that may seem simple, yet it unravels a complex world of perception and reality. Let's dive deeper into this and explore the science behind it. To understand if fish can see water, first we need to grasp how vision works. It's like a beautifully synchronized dance between light, our eyes, and our brain. So let's break this down. First, light from a source, say a bright sunny day or a cozy lamp, bounces off objects around us. These reflected light rays then make their way into our eyes. But it's not as simple as light goes in, vision comes out. Oh no, there's more to it. These light rays enter our eyes and land on a layer at the back called the retina. The retina is like a biological film screen populated with millions of light-sensitive cells called rods and cones. These cells convert the light into electrical signals. Now here's where our brain enters the picture. These electrical signals are sent via the optic nerve to our brain, which then interprets these signals into images. So in essence, we don't see with our eyes, we see with our brains. But what about transparency? Well, some materials, like air for humans and water for fish, let light pass through them almost unhindered. This property is known as transparency. For humans, air appears invisible because light passes through it without significant alteration. The same principle applies to fish and water. So as we can see, the process of seeing isn't as straightforward as it might initially seem. Now that we understand how vision works, let's address the burning question. Can fish see water? Much like us, fish have eyes adapted to their environment. They live in a world that is perpetually submerged in water, a medium that is, to them, as transparent as air is to us. Just as we don't see the air around us, fish don't see water in the same sense. However, this doesn't mean that they are oblivious to their watery world. Fish have a remarkable ability to perceive changes in light and movement through water. They can detect ripples, waves, and even the subtlest flicker of a potential prey or predator. This ability to sense changes in their environment is crucial for their survival. Yet the water itself remains invisible to them. It's their medium, their air, their norm. They don't see water, they experience it. So in essence, fish don't really see water in the way we might imagine. Let's summarize what we've learned today. We started off by posing an intriguing question. Can humans see air? And can fish see water? As we delved deeper into the science of seeing, we discovered that our eyes, whether they belong to us humans or our aquatic friends, are marvelously adapted to the environments in which we live. Air and water appear transparent because they allow light to pass through without significant scattering or absorption. Our eyes are designed to detect light and the changes in it caused by the objects in our surroundings, not the medium through which the light travels. Hence, air remains invisible to us and water to fish. We also learned that even though fish live in water, their eyesight is adapted to see through it, much like how we see through air. So the next time you're gazing into a fish tank, remember, just as we don't see the air around us, fish don't see the water they're swimming in. Isn't that fascinating?